Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will take some time to settle into this space before exploring the light within. However you have arrived today, this session will help you to connect with your very own inner guiding light. To begin, take just a few minutes to find a comfortable seated position. Whether seated on the floor or in a chair, straighten your posture and soften your shoulders. Tune in with the surface beneath you, finding strength, solidity, and support. And once you're settled, close your eyes as you tune in to the effortless flow of your breath. Notice the feel of air as it enters your nostrils, moves through your windpipe, and settles into your lungs. And then notice the same movement in reverse, quietly watching this gentle movement. Allow the breath to create an expansion of the belly and as you exhale, let your core muscles soften completely. Take a moment now to scan your body from head to toe, seeing what muscles might be naturally softened. Relax your forehead and the muscles around your eyes. Your jaw and your shoulders. Your stomach. And any limbs that can comfortably soften here. Once your scan is complete, return your attention to the breath as you ground yourself again and again into each moment. As we move through life, we often encounter times when we forget our own radiance. During these periods, it is easy to find brilliance, beauty, and wisdom in others, and less easy to find the same qualities in ourselves. When we move through these periods, we might experience a sense of insecurity, confusion, or fear, turning to others for answers or relief. And while seeking support and advice is truly admirable, sometimes it is worth remembering that we ourselves hold the answers we seek. Being the light is about embodying authenticity, intuition, and clarity. Sometimes this feels as warm and clear as the sun, while other times it might come in a flash, or as the light at the end of a long, dark tunnel. In any case, though the experience of being our own guiding light varies according to what we are going through, connecting with the wisdom within propels us in the right direction. Transitioning from theory to experience now, let's take some time to explore what this feels like. Eyes remaining closed, check in with your posture, ensuring the back is straight and the neck is aligned with the spine. Soften your shoulders and gently open your chest, creating a little more space in the heart. Now, shift your attention to the space between your brows. This area is often referred to as the third eye and is the seat of our wisdom and intuition. As you focus your attention here, continue to breathe as deeply as is comfortable. Allow all unused muscles to soften as you hold your attention on this space for just a moment. Now, imagine that in this space, a golden white pearl emerges, casting a healing glow. It begins to expand in all directions until soon your entire mind is bathed in its golden white rays. Let this light dissolve any fears, any limiting beliefs, and any confusion, leaving behind a sense of peace, clarity, and self-assurance. This might take some time, so sit with this in stillness, letting all thoughts dissipate here, even if only for this meditation. As the clutter clears from your mind, your own wisdom, brilliance, and true radiance begins to shine through. Feel your spine gently growing longer, your crown softly pulling you up towards the light overhead. And now gently repeat the following words to reaffirm the clearing that is taking place. All the answers I seek are within me. All the answers I seek are within me. All the answers I seek are within me. Spend a few more moments with these words and with your inner light, letting all tension melt away from the body for just this moment. Shift your attention back to the natural flow of your breath. And then to the ground beneath you. When you are ready, gently open your eyes to the outside world. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.